if you face this error on Spotify, which say Error-dialog.generic.Header, whether you use on their app or you use their website and you face this error, then follow these steps very carefully to fix this issue. Now, the first step you need to try is restart your network, then close Spotify and relaunch the app or the website. So, restart your network, then close Spotify and relaunch the app. We can do it like this. Just come here on the home screen and then disconnect your network, and then also restart your router. After disconnecting your network, then restarting your router and then connect it again. Come here on the system tray, look for the Spotify icon and exit it. Or if you're on their website, just cancel the tab and then go to the website again and log in. Or just launch it here from the shortcut and run it as an administrator. Now, if you do so but you're still facing again the same problem as you see here on the screenshot, now follow the next step here. If you have ad blocker or VPN, just turn them off. Also, clear your browser cache if you face this issue on their website, or Spotify app cache if you face this issue on their app. Now, I know you know how to clear your browser cache. If you don't know, you can just search it. Now, I'll show you how to clear your Spotify app cache if you face this issue on their app. Just relaunch the app here. Then also relaunch the app. Just come here on the home screen. Then click your profile here. Then select settings. Then scroll down on storage section. So look for storage. So here the storage, make sure to clear your cache. I have already cleared the cache, that's why it's grayed out here. But for you, if you don't clear the cache, you'll find the option here to clear the cache. Now, if you've done so but are still facing again the same issue, just come on the home screen here again. And then click your profile here. And then select settings. And then scroll down and look here for the zoom level and reset here the option. Now, if you've reset, then try to log in again to see if the issue has been resolved. Also, follow the next step here. If you follow all the steps correctly, just uninstall and reinstall the Spotify app. Or you can just wait for a few minutes and then try to log in again to see if the issue has been resolved. So, just to face this issue on their app, just uninstall and reinstall the Spotify app. Or if you face this issue on their website, then the issue may be on their end. Just wait for a few hours and try to check if the issue has been resolved.